Apple is one of the most recognized technology companies in the world. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation for quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. But Apple's success did not happen overnight. It is the result of years of hard work, smart planning, and a clear vision for the future. From the very beginning, Apple focused on creating products that were simple, reliable, and easy to use. Instead of making as many products as possible, the company chose to build a smaller number of high-quality products that people could trust. This approach helped Apple stand out from many of its competitors. Another important reason behind Apple's success is the experience it provides to its customers. Every product is designed to work smoothly, making everyday tasks simple and convenient. Whether someone is using a phone, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartwatch, everything is built to work together as one connected system. Apple also earns money in more than one way. In addition to selling devices, the company offers digital services such as cloud storage, music streaming, app purchases, and subscriptions. These services provide a steady source of income and help support the company's long-term growth. Behind every successful product is a team of engineers, designers, and researchers who work together to improve technology and solve real-world problems. The company also relies on advanced manufacturing and a global supply network to produce and deliver its products efficiently. Careful planning and strong quality control ensure that customers receive reliable products no matter where they live. One of Apple's greatest strengths is customer loyalty. Many people who buy one Apple product continue using the brand for years because they enjoy the experience and trust the quality. This long-term relationship has played a major role in the company's continued success. Apple continues to grow by adapting to new technologies while staying focused on its core values of quality, innovation, and customer experience. Instead of chasing every trend, the company carefully plans its future and invests in ideas that can create long-term value. Apple's journey is a great example of how innovation, consistency, and customer trust can build one of the world's most successful businesses. Its story reminds us that lasting success is achieved through patience, continuous improvement, and a commitment to excellence. Thank you for watching this business case study on Apple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more business case studies.